start by removing this cap here for the door handle. Use a little pick or a screwdriver, whatever you have, and just pry it out. Behind it, you'll find a Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove that. Next, in this little door pocket, you're going to have to remove the bottom liner. That will expose another Phillips head screw, which you also have to remove. And with that removed, you can pull up. You can use a little pry tool to help you. There you go. Pull up and then back. Flip it over. Disconnect your electrical connectors. Press on the tab and remove the wiring. For this one, it's a little bit different. I'm going to use this pry tool to pry this connector apart. Sometimes it's hard to do it with just your fingers. Pull out this outer sleeve of the connector. That'll unlock it. Then you can remove the rest of the connector. To remove this window switch, take off these 3 screws that hold it on. With that out, you can pull the window switch out. To install your new one, just line it up. Make sure it seats into place all the way. That's perfect right there. Start in your 3 screws. Snug it up. Plug in your connectors. Make sure this window connector, the sleeve for it, the locking sleeve, is pulled all the way back. Otherwise, you won't be able to fully connect it. Slide it in and lock it into place. Then you have this black one up front for the mirror switch. Plug that in. And to reattach this panel, slide it in front first because there's a hook right there. And then press it down. And then right in this door pocket right here, you had a little screw. So tighten that one up. And put the pocket liner back in. Perfect. One last thing is to reinstall this cover. Just line it up with these studs and it should snap into place. There we go, press it on, you're all set.